Good morning. Oh my gosh, this weather. Now, as y'all seen, it snowed here, and oh my goodness, the streets was horrible. It took me so long to get home because, you know, I was basically creeping all the way home. So much ice. I've seen so many accidents yesterday. And now, today, the school district has called for a late start. So crazy because they didn't even put it on the TV. You know, here it is. I didn't see either school district that comes out of this base on the news. But I don't know. Everybody's saying it. I don't know. But I got here and they saying an hour and 15 minutes late start, which sucks because I got a 10 o'clock appointment. Remember my Sam's appointment. My Sam's appointment is at 10 o'clock. I don't think I'm gonna make it. I know I'm not gonna make it because I pick up my last kid when I start my last route at 9:25. Sucks. That sucks. So I really need to call Damon and let him know that I'm not going to be able to make it unless me and him switch appointments. If he go ahead out there and do the 10 o'clock appointment and then he give me his 10:30 appointment, that's the only way it's going to work. As a matter of fact, if he's, I don't even know if he's up. I'm getting ready to call him. That's what we're going to try to do. We're going to try, just got off the phone with Damon. We're going to try to switch our appointments. I don't know. I'm just kind of on the fence about this phone. I feel like if I would have done it, the day that we went, then I would have went on with the deal. But the fact that we had to come back, it's kind of making me feel like, you know, what if there's a better deal than this? You know, I don't know the details of this deal. I don't know if, about the little gift card, because as y'all know, it was Sam's one-day deal. They were offering up to $250 trade-in. And you got a $400 gift card from Sam's gift card. That sounds good and all, but my issue with this is I'm wondering if I'm gonna have to come out of my pocket, because you know some deals are too good to be true. You know, some deals is okay, we're gonna give you this $400 gift card, but you're gonna come out of your pocket for $200. You know, meaning processing fee, and all these other fees, processing, activation, plus one installment. You know how they go. Y'all know it's always some extra stuff in it. They're not gonna. It's just too good to be true. So, that's the reason why I'm kind of on the fence about the deal. And then they didn't even really say much. You know, they just had a line and you set your appointment. That was all we did Saturday. You know, set the appointment and pick your phone. So I don't know, and I guess I will find out today, hopefully. You know, if it don't go through and I missed the appointment, or they say, well, we can't switch the appointment, it ain't no big deal, because this is Christmas time and it's gonna be tons and tons and tons of cell phone deals. So when you miss one, most of the time a better one comes along. So I guess I'm gonna sit here and listen to the radio. Yeah, I guess that's all I'm finna do, y'all. Because my route is 6:45 right now. My route don't start until 8:05. That's my first pickup. So I'm probably gonna leave here at about 7:45 in another hour. So, all right, I'll come back then.
Part of this, I cannot continue to live my life like this. This is ghetto. I'm fed up. The bag is not chasing me. I'm chasing the bag. I am working and working, and I barely want to get up in the morning and come here. Meanwhile, there's someone who owns this company living their best life, and I'm just a slave. I'm just a number. They don't even know my name. They don't know nothing about me. They give me little pennies. Now here's 45,000 for the year. Meanwhile, I have 45 billion trillion dollars, and I'm happy, and I'm in Greece, and you're sitting there all day for 8 hours a day for the next 30 years. I can't do this, and I refuse to do this. I'm not gonna do this. This is one movement that I can't be a part of. Okay, I can't do this. I don't know who the fuck made this up. Who made this up? Make something else up, because this is stupid. This is real stupid. I want the bag to chase me. I don't want to chase the bag. I don't want to get up every day and chase the bag. I want the bag to be like, Morgan, stop. Slow down, Morgan. That's what I want. Walking around penny pinching, sitting here for 8 hours a day, losing my mind. Nope, not gonna do it. Can't do it, won't do it. God, come on. What's taking so long? Shoot. Talking about he may not come when you want him, but he's right on time. What time is it? I mean, what time is it? Shoot, what time? I really can't. I've been working. And whoop, come on now. Come on, hurry up. Shoot. Open another door. Because I'm done with this and I'm finna walk out. I'm closing it. I can't do this. I need a new door. New door me, please, God. You taking too long. Shoot, may not come when you want him, but he's right on time. I mean, what's the schedule? How many more people in front of me? For real. Shoot, it's getting on my nerves. I can't keep going to work. It's ghetto. Nobody raised me like this. I cannot. I really cannot. I'm really having a moment right now. I know it sounds funny, but I'm really having a moment. I'm about to go back into my ghetto job and put it together. Put a smile on my face. Thank you for calling. Lord, come on.
Okay, yeah, I'm still on this route. I got a few minutes, about 5 minutes before it's time for me to get on my elementary route. This morning, just throw the whole daggone morning away, because it's just been chaos. It's just been crazy. Now, they told us that we're supposed to start our route an hour and 15 minutes after the normal bus stop time. Everybody is lost and confused. This is crazy stuff. Crazy. I should have called off this morning. Earlier today, I was sitting on the parking lot and I'm like, man, I should just go back home. I should have did that. I should have did it. It is so crazy. I don't start my, what time is it now? It's 9:20. I got to start my elementary at 9:26. The normal time is 8:11. The math is easy. 1 hour from that is 9:11. Then add 15 more minutes to it. It's like, really? What the hell? Everybody going crazy. Everybody is acting as if they don't know what the hell to do. Jeez. I just turned my radio down. I'm so over this morning. So over it. Kids coming out too early. Bus drivers acting like they ain't never drove before a day in their damn life. Most of these drivers that drive for the district that I drive for been driving for many, many years. I've been driving for about 16 or 17 years. So we have drivers that's been driving for 30, 25, 15, 10. I think we only have maybe 1 or 2 drivers that's been driving for the district 1 year. So it's like, y'all know. Now I understand these new drivers, but other people, y'all know better. Come on now. Let's get it together. It makes no sense. None at all. But I'm just saying. I'm done with that. And this damn day got me missing my daggone appointment. But I'm done. I don't want to be ranting. I'm done. That little, oh, I did the little, whoa. But I think I do that all the time though. That dance ain't nothing new to me. Cause I always do that. But anyway. That's enough of my rant. It's time for me to get this one done. This morning done. Okay, y'all. I'm at Sam's. Hopefully I'm in frame. Because I gotta change everything up on my phone. Hopefully I'm in frame. Y'all can see what's going on. I got the phone. Actually upside down. And they did give the $400 gift card. But the kicker was, which I told y'all earlier, you had to pay, what was it? 100
taxes on the phone.
You had to pay for your taxes and the $150 down payment, which was crazy to me. Why would they need a? I've never. Did you pay that for Damani's?
She got the Apples Forever, no down payment.
Oh yeah, that's right, Apples Forever. Which was crazy. So I end up spending what, $270 just for the phone. Crazy. And I told y'all that I knew they wasn't just gonna give a $400 gift card without paying anything. I knew that. But luckily Damon came in and he did his phone. He got the iPhone. He got the Samsung Note 10 and he was able to get a $450 gift card. So we were able to use that gift card on my stuff. So we paid the 200 and something off. So he gave me his gift card and then I just gave him mine. So I didn't necessarily have to pay any money out of pocket because, like I said, we used the gift card. But also, I told y'all they wasn't gonna give us no $400 gift card without coming out of pocket. I knew that. I knew it. But all in all, it's still a pretty good deal. I still have about $150 left on the gift card. So we're getting ready to eat this pizza. And then I'm gonna head back to work in those rooms. And then I'm gonna head back to work.